Today I'll be showing you how we made these amazing oven-baked potato wedges. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you wouldn't miss out on delicious content like this. First, I washed 5 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into wedges. Next, I rinsed the potato wedges and placed them to boil for about 5 minutes. Drain and allow to cool. The potatoes should be like this, cooked but not soft. Once properly cooled, I added my seasonings: paprika, chili powder, freshly grated garlic, salt and black pepper to taste. The measurements will be in the description box below. Next, some oil was added along with some parsley. Everything was mixed together properly and then set aside for approximately half an hour. Oil your baking tray and place the wedges onto the tray, leaving space between each wedge. These were baked for about 40 minutes at 400 degrees until they have completely cooked and reached the desired color that I like. These wedges were so simple to make and tasted so good. Here are some more recipes that I think you will enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!